Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech Online. Today we are discuss the most important MCQs on topic food microbiology and general principle of food hygiene. It is a set number 7, set 1 to 6, link in description. So let's start. Further up, medical microbiology is A. Purchard, B. Jenner, C. Koch, D. A. L. Hock. The answer is C. Koch. Mesosome are also known as A. Mitochondria, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Plasmid, D. Chondrioids. The answer is D. Chondrioids. The term vaccine was coined by A. Robert Koch, B. Edward Jenner, C. Needham, D. None of these. The answer is B. Edward Jenner. Compounds microscope was discovered by A. A.V. Leeuwenhoek, B. Purchard, C. Janssen and Hans, D. None of these. The answer is C. Janssen and Hans. Primary mediator in FSSAI A. Histamine, B. Serotonin, C. Heparin, D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. The most important virulence factor is A. Adhesion, B. Invasiveness, C. Toxigenicity, D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Which is the following enzyme act as a spreading factor? A. Hyaluronidase, B. Coagulase, C. Catalase, D. DNase. The answer is A. Mycobacterium leprae was discovered by A. Robert Koch, B. Hansen, C. Edward Jenner, D. Louis Pasteur. The answer is B. Hansen. The principal light trapping pigment molecule in plant algae and cyanobacteria is A. Chlorophyll A, B. Chlorophyll B, C. Porphyrin, D. Rhodopsin. The answer is A. Chlorophyll A. In the sigmoid curve, growth curve of bacteria, how many stages are there? A. 3, B. 4, C. 2, D. 5. The answer is B. 4. Minimum growth temperature is A. The growth of organism at lowest temperature, B. The lowest temperature at which microorganisms grow, C. The maximum temperature at which the growth is stable, D. None of this. The answer is B. The lowest temperature at which the microorganisms grow. Optimum growth temperature is greater than 45 degrees Celsius is A. Mesophils, B. Thermophils, C. Sacrophils, D. None of this. The answer is B. Thermophils. The organism which can be grow both in presence and absence of oxygen. A. Aerobes, B. Anaerobes, C. Faculty to aerobes, D. Stick aerobes. The answer is B. Anaerobes. The organism which can be grow best in presence of the low concentration of oxygen. A. Aerobes, B. Anaerobes, C. Faculty to aerobes, D. Stick aerobes. The answer is anaerobes. The compound that is added to medium to absorb oxygen for the creation of anaerobic condition. A. Sodium thioglycolate, B. Nitrous acid, C. Citrate, D. None of these. The answer is A. Sodium thioglycolate. The utilization of light energy to drive the synthesis of ATP is called as A. Photolysis, B. Photophosphorylation, C. Photosynthesis, D. Respiration. The answer is B. Photophosphorylation. Cyclic phosphorylation is generally present in A. cyanobacteria, B. algae, C. bacteria, B. plants. The answer is A. cyanobacteria. Which of the following organism required tryptophan for growth? A. H. influenza, B. Vibrio, C. gonococcus, D. S. typhi. The answer is D. S. typhi. Tubercular bacilli grow best in A. absence of O2, B. presence of CO2, C. presence of O2, D. none of these. The answer is B. presence of CO2. Mycotoxins are formed during the end of A. lag phase, B. log phase, C. dead phase, D. stationary phase. The answer is A. lag phase. The suitable temperature to transport viral culture is A. 30 degrees Celsius, B. 5 degrees Celsius, C. 25 degrees Celsius, D. 45 degrees Celsius. The answer is B. 5 degrees Celsius. Growth curve does not include following phase of bacteria: A. decline phase, B. stationary phase, C. lag phase, D. synchronous phase. The answer is synchronous phase. Bacteria are more sensitive to antibiotic at which phase of growth curve? A. decline phase, B. stationary phase, C. lag phase, D. log phase. The answer is D. log phase. Log phase is also known as A. dead phase, B. exponential phase and logarithmic phase, C. lag phase, D. none. The answer is B. exponential phase and logarithmic phase. The most active stage in the sigmoid curve of bacteria in which maximum growth is attained: A. lag phase, B. stationary phase, C. decline phase, D. log phase. The answer is B. stationary phase. For more video, link in description. For daily updates and study material, our Telegram, Instagram and LinkedIn page. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.